Last class we completed till the question number 4 in exercise 3.1. Now we are going to start exercise 3.1 in the question number 5. From the question number 5 we are going to see, hereafter we are going to see the word problems. So must understand the words, either it's purchased or bought or sold. These are the clue words for you. So read the question twice or thrice and find out which is given as mark price or selling price or cost price. Be clear with this. Then go for to find the profit or loss. It's very important. Read the question properly and understand the word meaning. Now the question number 5. Rani bought a set of bangles for rupees 310. Here the clue word is bought. It means cost price. Okay, if you bought and purchased, the clue word bought, purchased, if you have, that is cost price. So cost price of the bangle is rupees 310 and her neighbor liked it most. Okay, her neighbor liked it most. So Rani sold it to her for 325. Find the profit or loss to Rani. Okay, listen to me properly. Okay, Rani bought set of bangles. Okay, her neighbor liked it more. For example, if you have one pen, your friend will tell, this is very nice. Can you give me please? Yes or no? Okay, what will you do? You will give for that sale. The sale amount, either if your friend, you may go for the profit or loss. It's based on the item, based on your thinking. So here the Rani bought a bangle for 310 and she sold it for 325. Either it's profit or loss, we are going to find out. The cost price of the bangle, rupees 310. Then selling price, sold it. So selling price of the bangle, rupees 325. So the selling price and the cost price, see that selling price is more. Selling price is more. When your selling price is more, definitely you will get profit. The formula for the profit is selling price minus cost price. Selling price is 325. The cost price is 310. Subtract 325 minus 10. 10 is 25 minus 10 is 15. So the profit amount. The question is, find the profit or loss to Rani. Profit to Rani. Profit to Rani, rupees 15. Clear everyone? Very easy, but find out the properly which is cost price, which is selling price. Next question number 6. Sugan bought a jeans pant for rupees 750. It did not fit him. He sold it to his friend for rupees 710. Find the profit or loss to Sugan. So here you don't need to write these words. Instead of that, write what is needed. Which is needed means which is cost price and the selling price is enough to write. So from this problem we will follow it. Cost price, first is Sugan bought. Bought means purchased. So cost price is rupees 750. Then he did not fit him. He sold it to his friend for rupees 710. Sold means what price? Selling price. So selling price is rupees 710. Then go for the comparison. Selling price is more or less? Selling price is less. Compared to the cost price, selling price is less. When your selling price is less, that is loss. So loss equal to rupees, that means cost price minus selling price is the formula. Cost price is 750 minus selling price is 710. 750 minus 710 is 40 rupees. The last to Sugan, rupees 740. Next question number 7. Somu bought a second hand bike for rupees 28,000. Okay, second hand bike, okay, rupees 28,000 and spent 2,000 on its repair. 2,000 on its repair. Repair means, okay, it may be anything. Okay, you may change the parts. So 2,000 he spent on its repair. He sold it for 30,000. He sold it for 30,000. Find its profit or loss. Okay, once again listen to me. When I tell about the cost price, I said I use the word of overhead expenses. Overhead expenses. It means apart from the purchased price, if you spend some money on the thing or article, that is called overhead expenses. It is included with the cost price. It is included with the cost price. So, the second hand bike he bought for 28,000 and he spent on his repair 2,000. So, the cost price is included with the repair amount. Okay. Now, the cost price of second hand bike $28,000 plus the repair amount. So 28,000, the repair amount is 2,000. So 28,000 plus 2,000 is 30,000. So finally the cost price is 30,000. Finally the cost price is 30,000. He sold for 30,000. Then does he have profit or loss? Does he have profit? No. Does he have loss? No. Why? Because both amounts are same. Okay. When cost price and selling price is same, there is no profit or loss. Clear everyone? When the cost price and the selling price is same, there is no profit or loss. So the name is Somu. Okay, Somu as no profit or loss. Clear everyone? It's very easy, but if you didn't add this repair amount, you will get the answer wrongly. Yes or no? So the cost price is included with the extra amount, okay, extra furniture amount, whatever it is, extra vehicle amount or transport charge, extra whatever you are doing, okay, it's included with the cost price. Question number 8. Muthu has a car worth 8,50,000 and he wants to sell it at a profit of 25,000. What should be the selling price of the car? Okay, Muthu has a car worth rupees 8,50,000. Okay, 8,50,000. So that is the cost price. You fixed it just. Then he wants to sell at a profit of 25,000. What should be the selling price of the car? The car amount is 8,50,000, which means it is the cost price. Okay, cost price of the car amount is 8,50,000. He has to sell for the profit. The profit amount is rupees 25,000. We need to find out the selling price of the car. So he needs to get the profit 25,000. Okay, he fixed that I need to get profit 25,000. The cost price was 8,50,000. So add the cost price plus profit is 8,50,000 plus 25,000. So the selling price of the car should be 8,75,000. The selling price of the car should be 8,75,000. Question number 9. Valarmadi sold her pearl set, okay, for rupees 30,000 at a profit of 5,000. Find the cost price of the pearl set. Okay, sold is given. Okay, selling price is 30,000. Selling price is 30,000. Profit is rupees 5,000. Profit is 5,000. Find the cost price. Find the cost price. Listen to me, understand the concept properly, use the formula or else understand the concept. Okay, selling price is 30,000. Already she gave or she sold, okay, for 30,000, but she got the profit of 5,000. She got the profit of 5,000. What could be the purchased amount of the Valarmadi? Purchased means cost price. That means what should be bought by her. Okay, how much should be bought by her? So cost price, before cost price we are going to find out. The formula is selling price minus profit. The formula is selling price minus profit. Selling price is 30,000. The profit is 5,000. 30 minus 5 is 25,000. Cost price is 25,000. The question is cost price of the pearl set. The cost price of the pearl set is 25,000. Addition, subtraction only we are doing, so do it properly. If Guna marks his product to be sold for 325, gives discount of 30, then find the selling price. Find the selling price. Listen to me. Guna marks his product to be sold for rupees 325. Mark his product. Okay, mark means what I said, marked price. Okay, marked price is 325, then discount is rupees 30. Find the selling price. Already I said whenever you get the discount there will be a marked price. There will not be a cost price. Okay, there will be a marked price. The first okay, listen, the first sentence will get confusion, and because if Guna marks his product to be sold, sold word is there, so why can't you write the selling price as 325, you asked me. But before that, listen to me, the word of the mark. Guna marks product, marks, okay, Guna marks his product means he is marking the product. So marking means it must be a marked price, that means tag or printed price. That's why it changed as marked price 325, discount is 30 rupees. The discount is 30 rupees. What could be the selling price? The formula is selling price equal to marked price minus discount. The marked price is 325 minus discount is rupees 30. We subtract rupees 295 will be the selling price. Next question number 11. A man buys a chair for rupees 1500. He wants to sell it at a profit rupees 250. After making a discount of 100, what is the marked price of the chair? Listen to me. A man buys a chair. Buy means cost price. The cost price is 1500. Then profit is rupees 250. And discount 100. Find the marked price. So now listen to me, my dear boys. The marked price will be more compared to the cost price. Okay, why the marked price will be more? Because from the marked price only always you will get the discount. Yes or no? From the marked price only you will get the discount. So the marked price will be more compared to the discount. Compared to the discount, okay, marked price will be more. After discount only we will get the cost price. Then the profit amount you are getting. Profit amount. So listen to me. What should we do? Listen properly. A man buys a chair for rupees 1500. Buys, so cost price. He wants to sell it at a profit of rupees 250. Okay, he want to sell it at the profit of 250 after making a discount of 100 rupees. After making a discount of 100 rupees. Discount he is giving. Okay, for example, 1000 rupees shirt. Okay, just they are giving the discount for you 100 rupees. Even though the shopkeeper, okay, he is getting the profit of 100 rupees. Okay, he is giving as a discount. Name of the discount they are giving. Okay, just if you get the discount, always we go for the buying the discount items. Yes or no? Okay, it is our culture. Okay, whenever you go to the shop, which is getting the discount amount only, we will see a discount amount 100 rupees. So we will buy the things we will think. But the shopkeeper, how he is thinking, with the profit of 250 only he is selling for you. There is no loss for him. Okay. Like that only the problem. A man buys a chair rupees 1500. He wants to sell at a profit of 250 after making a discount of 100 rupees. What is the marked price of the chair? So marked price will be always calculated from the selling price and the discount. Here we don't have the selling price. First to find the selling price. Okay, how will you find the selling price? The cost price and the profit. 1500 cost price plus profit. 1500 plus 250 and 1750. 1750. 1500 plus 250 is 750. So the selling price is 1750. Marked price we are going to find out. The marked price formula is selling price plus the discount amount. The selling price is 1750. The discount amount is 100. So the marked price is 1850. We are clear with the concept? Once again I tell you, okay, we are going to find out the marked price. For finding the marked price, we must know the selling price. Okay, since we don't have the selling price, I am finding the selling price first. The selling price formula is cost price plus the profit. Cost price plus the profit. So I added, okay, 1750. After finding the selling price, I am going for the marked price formula. Selling price plus discount. Selling price is 1750 and the discount amount is 100. Just you add it, you will get the marked price. Next the question number 12. Question number 12. Amuda marked her home product of pickles rupees 300 per pack. Per pack means one pack rupees 300. Marked, the word of the marked is there, so it is marked price. Okay, clear? It is marked price. Don't confuse. Whenever the word marked or marked is there, it is marked price. MP, marked price is 300, but she sold it for only rupees 275 per pack. So selling price is rupees 275. What was the discount offered her per pack? Discount offered. I said when you have the marked price, there will be the word of the discount. There will be the word of the discount. Okay, there won't be the profit or loss. So here discount we are going to find out. Discount formula is marked price minus selling price. Marked price is 300, selling price is 275. 300 minus 275 is 25. So the discount amount is 275. The question they asked is what was the discount offered by her per pack? Okay, per pack. So one pack, how much is discount? 25 rupees is discount. Question number 13. 13 question is very important. Listen to me properly. Vallavan bought 24 eggs for rupees 96. Okay, 24 eggs for rupees 96. 4 eggs of them were broken. 4 eggs is broken, and also he had a loss of rupees 36 on selling them. What is the selling price of one egg? This is normal. This is not a normal question, either subtraction or addition. You must understand the concept. Here also selling cost only, but the selling price of the quantity and the cost is given. When you have the quantity, read the question properly and understand. First, what is given we will write. Vallavan bought 24 eggs, rupees 96. Okay, ma, rupees 96. 4 is broken. 4 is broken means what will be the remaining? 24. 4 is broken. So 20 eggs. Okay, 20 eggs will be there. Okay, 20 eggs, and he had a loss of rupees 36 on selling them. Okay, he had a loss. Okay, he sold that 20 eggs. Okay, 4 eggs already broken means how much he can sold? 20 eggs only. So 20 eggs rupees 96. Okay, cost price of, that is cost price only because he bought. So cost price of 20 eggs is rupees 96. Listen to me. In that he got loss 36 rupees. In the amount of 96, okay, in the amount of the cost price of 96, in that he got loss 36 rupees. Okay, 36 rupees. Then how much he would have sold, we are going to find out. Okay, so what will he do? 96 minus 36, 60 rupees. So the selling price could be 60 rupees. The selling price could be 60 because from the 96 rupees he got 36 rupees loss, and the amount of loss only he sold. So I found that selling price as 60. Now the question is, what is the selling price of the one egg they are asking? That means selling the 20 eggs only 60 rupees. Okay, the selling price of 20 eggs only rupees 60. You can ask me, miss, here you wrote as cost price of 20 eggs. How come here it changed as a selling price? Because he got the loss. When he got the loss, it become as a selling price. If you sold something only, you will get the loss. Yes or no? If you go for selling only, you will get the loss. If you have the things, okay, there is no profit, no loss. It is with you. So you sold it. So the cost price changed as here selling price. So selling price of 20 eggs is rupees 60. Find out for the 1 egg rupees 60. This will come as division. 0, 0 cancel. 2 table 3. So selling price of 1 egg is 3. Okay, selling price of 1 egg is rupees 3. It's a very important problem. Understand the concept. 24 eggs, he had totally 4 were broken. So I subtracted 20 eggs. 20 eggs 96 rupees. Okay, 20 eggs 96 rupees. Then we have to find out the selling price. So loss were given. So loss amount is 36. From this I found the selling price. The selling price of 20 eggs is 60 rupees, means find out the 1 egg. I found the 1 egg cost is rupees 3. Then question number 14. Question number 14. Mangai bought a cell phone for rupees 12,585. Bought means cost price. It fell down. Fell down means okay, less. For example, the gold rate, one day it will decrease, one day it will more. So likewise the it fell down means mobile fell down. Mobile fell down. She spent rupees 500 on its repair. Rupees 500 on its repair. She sold it for 7,500. Find her profit or loss. It fell down means mobile. I thought it is rate. It is fell down means okay, the mobile fell down. Mobile fell down. She spent rupees 500 on its repair. She sold it for rupees 7,500. So repair amount is 500. Already I said whatever you are doing extra for your cost purchased item, it is included with the cost price. So what is given is this is purchased price. It is not a original cost price because she spent on the repair. So add this amount 5, 8. So rupees 13,085 is the cost price. Rupees 13,085 is the cost price. The selling price is rupees 7,500. Selling price is rupees 7,500. So if you compare the cost price and selling price is less. So definitely it is loss. Subtract the cost price minus selling price. Cost price is 13,085. Selling price 7,500. Subtract 5 minus 0, 5. 8 minus 0, 8. From the 0 we cannot subtract 5. So borrow. 10 minus 5, 5. 2, no. 12. 12 minus 7, 5. So the last amount is rupees 5,585. Next we will see the objectives. Question number 15. Discount is subtracted from what? Marked price or cost price or loss or profit. Discount means I told you before even there will be the word of the marked price. There is no cost price. Okay, so the answer is 15th, marked price, option A. Discount, when will you get the discount? From the tag price only you will get the discount. From the tag price or printed price only you will get the discount. Clear? Overhead expenses is always included in the cost price. Overhead expenses means repair amount, transfer amount, okay, it is transport amount. So that is included with the cost price. Then 17, there is no profit or loss. When we won't get the profit or loss? When do we have the selling price, cost price equal? So the option A. Cost price and selling price is equal means you will not get the profit, you will not get the loss also. Then discount formula, marked price minus selling price. Okay, marked price minus selling price, answer option B. So once again, that's all, this exercise is over. Our chapter 3 is over. It is very important chapter, okay, which is we are following day to day life only. We learn now what is profit, what is loss, marked price, cost price, selling price. Don't confuse with that marked price and cost price. When you have the tag, if you have the tag, that is called marked price. When you have printed something, that is called marked price. If it is not printed means that is cost price. Clear everyone? Okay, when do you have marked price? With the discount. Okay, with the discount. Clear everyone? This exercise is over, chapter is over. Next class we will see the chapter 4. Thank you dear students.